Okay, here we are again today. My little doggy. Oh, yes. Oh, he's all wet because he just came from outside. It's totally raining outside right now. And the temperature's starting to drop off. We'll see snow in the morning. Look at this guy. It's all wet. Isn't that nice the way it just glistens off of there? Yeah, they get me all wet. Anyway, yeah, the weather has changed here now. Now, actually, today was the last day we will have 40-degree temperatures for quite some time. I looked at the 2-week forecast up ahead, and we are definitely going to get a white Christmas, and it's going to be in the 30s every day. So, actually, tomorrow it's going to be, the high is going to be 30. So, if it starts to rain, it's going to be snow. So, that, and then my birthday is Wednesday, so I think it's supposed to clear up there one day, but that's about it. And I got the power supply for the computer. I put that in, but I cannot hook it up right now because the CPU, the fan power to the CPU takes actually it's a 4-pin connector. Well, all the other connectors I have for that are 8. So I had to get an adapter. So it will probably, the adapter from what they told me after I ordered it, may not be here till almost the 21st. So it's going to be a while before I can hook this thing up. But today, it came in the mail. Another surprise. This is the receiver they sent me the wrong board for. Well, they sent me more than a board. Actually, they sent me, well, PCB shortwave kit, they sent me that. They sent me this. I have a full-size schematic for it. And they even show winding a coil for it. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. So yeah, there's that, and then they made a DVD for it. There, the parts I have, they're all right here on this board, but they sent me a PC board too. So everything's here in even parts. So all that stuff's there. So I guess what I can do, I don't know, there's so many parts. Maybe I can open it up and show them all. That might be the next thing to do. But definitely will be a bit easier getting the parts on this board because it's all printed on the outside of the board so that I shouldn't be able to make a mistake lining everything up. So, yeah. So, let's do that. I gotta get the dog off my lap. Besides, he's soaking me anyway. Come on, baby. Get off. Let's see how I can set this up now. I'm going to go over here. See like how close I can get. Maybe I can get in here. Let's see. And we'll drop it down. And then out that way a little bit. And let's see. I'll just bring it up a little bit. I mean, I could go all the way, but it'll probably be real fuzzy if I do. So we'll leave it right about there. And we'll see what we have. So, tape off the bag would be nice. So we can open this bag up. And yes, looks like quite a few parts there. So here's the main circuit board. Huh? Looks really nice. I mean, there you are. There's the back side. And there's the front. So, yeah, it should be good. And we'll pour all these parts out here. Wow. I swear, the amount of parts increased again here. But they still got the same goofy pins, though. They're hard to get in there. Why, I don't know. But I don't know why they bother with those things. Okay, so, oops, we got parts falling off of this thing too. It collected parts. Alright, so we've got this. It has parts. Right there. I don't know if it's looking at it or not, but we'll see. And then, so we have that bunch of parts. And earphone, because that's what these things came with. Actually, you have to go ahead and order, to actually get one with that you can use with a speaker, you have to order an amplifier. They never really came with an amplifier on these. So it's just earphone only. So anyway, so there's 9-volt clip for that. I don't know why they have all these things separated, kind of weird. Anyway, that's the tuning capacitor. So, and the dial, knob, whatever. That's where that is. Okay. And you have, see, that's a volume right there. And that's obviously the on-off switch. No? I don't really have one of those. So it's got to do something like that, either volume or tone or something. And I think that might be the switch though. But anyway, we got those. And there's one capacitor. We got all these little clips. I'm going to stick all those up to the side. A bunch of them. Okay. Whoop. All right. And there's 3 more disc ceramic caps. There's one transistor. Another disc ceramic cap. Another one. Not to mention this whole bunch of them up here. More than this one. But it's needless to say, there's a lot of parts in this kit. And more ceramic. Alright, so that's, and then we have a couple these electrolytics separated. Now why they're separated like this, I don't know, because you have another bag full of parts. So yeah, there's a whole bunch more in this bag. And actually in this one, it does have, well, it's got 2 different colors for wire. Huh, weird. But why they have them all like that, I do not know. Let's see what this is. Oh, huh, this is just all really small disc ceramic caps. very small. And okay, here's the wire. It's flexible, so obviously it's stranded wire. It's not hard. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, it looks like we have no. We have more controls. There's one there. Oh, there's a slide switch, on-off switch. Okay, here's another one. So we got those controls. And okay, these are standoffs. There's 4 standoffs. And of course, there got to be 4 screws for those. Okay, so there are. Okay, so that's right. And then there's another electrolytic, small one. Here's another electrolytic, another small one. And 1, 2, 3, 4 more transistors. And another capacitor and another capacitor. And then we have, let's see, how many resistors do we have? Well, we got a bunch of resistors. I thought there were some diodes in there, but they're not. They're all resistors. So, as you can see, there are a lot of parts that go into this. So this will be fun, especially with my eyesight the way it is. But at least I have a board now to go by, so this will be a lot nicer anyway. At least I can populate it. They're a bit easier. So, and I'm sure the controls, you know, they'll go in easier. Actually looks like, yeah. So let's see, maybe that one will go there. This other one will go there. The big one will go right there. Let's see how many things we got there. Oh yeah, well, 2, 3, 4. Okay, well. Oh no, we gotta have some other stuff over here. So yeah, it's gonna be fun trying to figure this out. So I'm just gonna leave it just like this, and then I'll see what the CD has on it, and we'll take a look and see how that works. So that's gonna be it for now. Talk to you guys later. Well, here we are again. I'm expecting my little buddy to show up any minute, but if I'm quiet enough, he might not show up. I don't know. But yeah, see, here he comes. What are you coming in for? You want to come up here? Huh? Yeah? All right, you're limping again. Come in. Come here, baby. Well, come here. I'm not playing with you. This guy thinks I'm going to play with him now. Okay, come on. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Well, don't sit there and bark. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. I tell you, this is one of those days, I guess. Come on. Come here. No, don't bark. Here. Come here. Oh, you're being hard to get today. What? No!